Morning run. So, Biyernes Santo. I decided to run for the better. Easy run lang ta today. And maski kapoy because yesterday nag-carb loading ko. So here I am. So yeah, that's it. Let's burn those carbs and fighting. 10K done. Easy run. So pauli na ta. Bye mga Kadanyag hunters. Always celebrate small wins and always be proud to yourself. Bye!